90% of old drivers don't know that there are 9 hidden functions in the car, and the last one can save lives. First, if the brakes fail while driving, don't panic. Let's hold the electronic handbrake switch and don't loosen it, and the car will stop steadily. Second, which side of the triangular arrow on the instrument points to which side of the car body is the fuel tank cap on the outside of the car. Third, the dome light switch in the car has 3 gears. 1, 2, 3 to the second gear. After the adjustment, open the door, the dome light will automatically turn on, and close the door, the dome light will automatically turn off. No need to manually switch it again. Fourth, the seat belt can be adjusted according to the height of the driver. Fifth, the sun visor can not only block the front sun, but also block the side sun. Sixth, find the glass lifter switch on the door, push it to the top and hold it for 5 seconds to activate the 1-button window lift function. Seventh, press and hold the lock button for 10 seconds to activate the automatic lock function. 8. Open the child safety lock on the door, no longer afraid of little rascal pulling the door from the car. 9. Being locked in the car and unable to get out. We just need to climb into the trunk. Find this little cover. Pull it open. You can open the trunk to escape by flipping this small switch inside. Is it particularly useful? Follow me and learn some car knowledge every day.